Hi, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at how to solve some basic equations involving division. So let's get started. All we want to do for these in questions like A, where we have m over 7 is equal to 3, is we're going to create an equivalent equation by multiplying both sides by the denominator in order to solve. So if we have m divided by 7, we want to do the inverse operation, which means we want to times both sides by 7. The result will be m is equal to 3 times 7, which is 21. So they're pretty easy to solve. All you have to do is remember, create an equivalent equation. So let's do B. C over 8 is equal to 4. Let's times both sides by 8. C is equal to 4 times 8, which is 32. For C, we have S over 6 is equal to 5. Times both sides by 6, and you're left with S is equal to 30. For D, we have R over 4 is equal to 7. Times both sides by 4, and we're left with R is equal to 28. Alright, here's a few for you to practice, so just pause the video, give them a go, and I'll solve them in just a moment. Right, let's get started. So for our first one, A, we have 5u over 6 is equal to 15. So let's multiply both sides by the denominator, times 6 and times 6. On this side, we're left with 5u. On the other side, we're left with 90. So in this particular situation, now we have to divide both sides by 5. We get u is equal to 90 divided by 5 is going to be 18. Okay, let's do B. We have 3y over 8 is equal to 6. Times both sides by the denominator, and you're left with 3y is equal to 6 times 8, which is 48. Now, divide both sides by 3. Okay, you're left with y equal to 16. Alright, let's do the next one. Let's look at C. So for C, we have 7x over 3 is equal to 14. Now, let's multiply both sides by 3. 7x is equal to 14 times 3, which is just going to be 42. Alright, now let's divide both sides by 7. We're left with x is equal to 6. For D, we have 4a over 9 is equal to 12. So let's times both sides by 9. 4a is equal to 108. That means A is going to be equal to dividing both sides by 4. And that just equals 27. Alright, so hopefully this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.